Yuvi Nihi, learning Lollipops. Hello, little friends. Let's learn numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's count together. Here we go.
1. O-N-E, 1. 1. Apple.
2. T-W-O-O, 2. 2. Balloons.
3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 3. Cars.
4. F-O-U-R, 4. 4. Fish.
5. F-I-V-E, 5. 5. Fingers.
6. S-I-X, 6. 6. Bees.
7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. 7. Stars.
8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 8. Butterflies.
9. N-I-N-E, 9. 9. Strawberries.
10. T-E-N, 10. 10. Cakes.
Great job counting with us.
See you next time.
Don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yuvi Nihi, learning Lollipops.